third gear this time. Definitely don't want to grab the brake, just want to put some pressure on it. Like squeezing an orange, as my man from Moto Jitsu says. Spot. All kinds of little critters running around here today. At this pole right here. I don't know how long that was, but hopefully it was enough. Yeah, when you have an object in front of you, it's gonna make you figure eights now on our friction zone practice. Rear brake. Head and eyes where I want them to be. Body position. Takes a while to get that ratio of throttle friction zone. Once you get it, works pretty good. Body position is the big thing. That one wasn't all that great. Be smooth, yeah. Whenever you feel like that bike's about to fall over, you just let out that clutch a little bit. For head and eyes turn. I'm not trying to be a instructor here because I'm far from that, but just going by things like Moto Jitsu, Jerry Palladino, those kind of guys talk about. So I'll practice a little trail braking here. Turn here. Brake, 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 brake. See the exit? Take off. Probably, if you don't trail brake, you probably do and don't even realize it. Because I know I did. Like just like right there, pulling into that little exit there. We hit the parking spaces again. I like to hit the parking spaces and let the clutch have a little breather. Hot today. It's reading 87 degrees. Hands on my bike, so I'm hot today. Gotta lean that bike. Definitely gotta lean the bike. First time I went full lock scared the crap out of me. These slow maneuvers, a lot of people are like, well, what's the point? Well, the point is you learn to control your bike. If you are like in traffic and just moving slow and things like that, you tend to just a little better. Let's get on that trail braking again. Trail braking, if you're not sure what it is, you actually start your brake before the curve. You're going to hold that brake and then let it off gradually. And then just, you don't give it any gas. You can use maintenance throttle if you need to. We'll go to this bigger curve up here and maybe I can explain it a little better. And I've been practicing it about 2 years now. Man, it makes a difference. If you're going downhill, you know, I remember I used to be terrified to go downhill, so now brake, 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 hold, 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 maintenance throttle, maintenance throttle, maintenance throttle, maintenance throttle, maintenance throttle. Now I can see the exit. I go for it. Really appreciate it. You don't need 5-10 minutes. I think 10 minutes is good. Just in these kind of maneuvers. Now, notice I'm going to give it a little kind of a dip to the side there. What that does is that counter steers your bike and gets you leaning already. You know, a lot of people say, you don't counter steer until you're 10-15 miles an hour at least. That's not true. You can counter steer at any time. My man over at Motor Jitsu proved that fact for sure. Yeah, you just want to get this stuff into where it's almost like get it just like anything you do that you're going to be good at. You got to build it into that muscle memory. All right, got a pretty good ride there. Exercise anyway, so I'll start riding towards the store. I need to pick up a few things. If you guys want to just ride with me a few more minutes here, talk about a few other things. If you guys want to just ride with me a few more minutes here, talk about a few other things. Like giving that little blip on a downshift. A lot of critters out today, so definitely got to keep my eyes open because just right there practicing, I saw some groundhogs. The little ones are out, big ones are probably out too. Eyes open. There's our biggest threat coming at us right there. Vehicles. It's all good. Mitigate the risk. Do that by just practicing your skill. Your eyes open. Now me personally, I keep 2 feet behind the rest of them there. Takes away second I might need. The boom, I'm already there. That's why I'm practicing those quick stops are so important, because it's a threat to act on set. See that lady right there, she just comes there and stopped at the last second, but you know, I was trying to come up with a plan. If on out there, then I got this middle lane here I could have went into. Brakes probably wouldn't have been the thing I wanted to go to. I can't wait to get up in the mountains and talk through some curves. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna I ain't got too much further here to go. Should everybody being with me.